Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about WatchOS 8.4 update on my Apple Watch Series 3. So as you can see, this is Apple Watch Series 3 and recently I got WatchOS 8.4 update on my Apple Watch Series 3. So as you can see from the screenshot, it was a very small update that I had received on my Apple Watch Series 3. So it came in about 211 MB, and in this video we're going to talk about what's new with this update. And also, if you're having any other watch other than Apple Watch Series 3, this update is also available for you. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. But before that, if you're new here and happen to enjoy this kind of videos on the channel, do give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel. Now with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first things first, as you can see from the screenshot itself, it mentions that some chargers may not work as expected. So it fixes a major bug which was reported by many users, that some third-party chargers were not working properly with Apple Watch. So it fixes that. On top of that, it fixes some of the security content issues which was earlier reported by users. So now here I have the Apple Watch Series 3. Let me unlock my Apple Watch and let me go to the settings. Let me show you the build number. So in order to see the build number, let me click on settings, go to general and about section. So as you can see in the version, it says WatchOS 8.4 and the new build number is 19S546. So I just want to show you, I had taken a screenshot before as well. So before updating, let me show you, it was on WatchOS 8.3 and the earlier build number was 19S55. So in order to update the Apple Watch, you just need to go to your Apple Watch application. So once you go to your Apple Watch application, click on general and click on software updates. If you have any software updates, then you should be able to see that on the software update page. So for me, as you can see, it's showing WatchOS 8.4. So now let's talk about what are the new features or what are the major bug fixes. So as I've said before, that with this update, Apple has tried to fix the charging issue of Apple Watch, which was reported by many users. So as you can see here, I have a Apple Watch charger. So if I just put it on the charger, so it will start charging my Apple Watch. So if you have been using any other chargers, maybe some third-party chargers which are not from Apple, so you might be facing any issues. Apple has tried to fix on that. So if you are facing any charging issues for your Apple Watch, you need to update to WatchOS 8.4. One more thing I just recently saw, if you go to the Apple website, so this new watch face is available, but unfortunately, as always, this watch face is not compatible with Apple Watch Series 3. I'm not sure about other Apple Watch, but it is not compatible. So as you can see, if I click on this add watch face, and then it shows me whether I want to allow this to download to my watch. If I click on allow, so as you can see, it says clearly watch face is unavailable. So this watch face is not available on your Apple Watch. So maybe from Apple Watch 4 or 5 or 6, your watch face is supported, but the new watch face, as always, is not supported on Apple Watch Series 3. So apart from that, there are few security fixes here and there. And also, if you ask me about the performance, I have been using this Apple Watch for more than 2 years now. There is no as such performance issues with Apple Watch Series 3. So if you are on WatchOS 8.3 and facing the charging issues and all with your Apple Watch, so then I recommend you to update to latest WatchOS, which is WatchOS 8.4. If you update to WatchOS 8.4, according to Apple, your charging issues with Apple Watch would be resolved. So then again, this was a small video. I wanted to highlight that I have received WatchOS 8.4 on my Apple Watch Series 3. So let me know in the comment section how many of you are using Apple Watch Series 3 and are waiting for a latest update, or you have updated to WatchOS 8.4. So then again, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you have enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel. So with that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.